Nice!
I have a little difficulty. My legs. Dad! No!
Uh-oh.
I think we got war.
I think he shoved snow in her pants.
We're gonna make a snowman.
Oh my gosh!
I was gonna try
I'm
jumping
doing
over you,
release
but
down the hill.
You didn't hurt Mr. Thumb, did you?
No, Mr. Thumb's good.
Bailey, why'd you leave your sled in the middle of the hill?
Bailey, come get your